my name is Chichi. Here in India, cow dung is my favorite food to eat. It is such a tasty treat. It goes in my mouth and then heads down south, and I throw it all over the street.
When I feel my belly rumble and I get in the mood, boo, 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 it's my favorite food. It's brown, squishy, smelly, and it tastes so good. Boo, 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 it's my favorite food. Boo! I see a pool falling from the cow's dung, and I open my mouth and climb beneath. I use cow dung toothpaste to brush my teeth. I bathe in cow poo and rub it in my hair. For me, nothing else can even compare.
India is number one. The poo-poo comes from the cow's bum. When I see a cow poo and I start to run, eating cow dung is so much fun.
Every time I see a cow pee, I splash it on my face and rub it all over me. I drink cow pee, and as you can see, consuming cow dung and urine makes me very happy. I feel a rapid from the cow's bum, and I open my mouth and climb beneath. I use cow dung toothpaste to brush my teeth. I bathe in cow poo and rub it in my hair. For me, nothing else can even compare. My favorite food, it's brown, squishy, smelly, and it tastes so good. Boo, 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 it's my favorite food. Boo, 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 it's my favorite food.